How to copy trading on MEXC wallet. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open MEXC wallet app on your device. Then go ahead and tap on the home menu. After you tap on home, you can find more. So go ahead and tap on more. And what you need to do is just go ahead and find the futures option over here and tap on futures. You can find copy trade feature. Go ahead and tap on copy trade. Wait for a while and this screen will load up. Now you can see the top traders option. So these are all of the top traders in the app. To copy the trade, just go ahead and tap on copy trade. Go ahead and tap on confirm, which is over here. After you read all of this, you can just go ahead and wait for a while as there is a timer. So go ahead and wait and tap on confirm. Now you have easily copied the trade. What you can do is segregate the ratio about the amount, how much you want to copy. So you can just go ahead and copy this. You can also enter the quantity. So after you have entered the quantity, just go ahead and tap on transfer. So you can just go ahead and see this, copy the trade and be business useful and rich yourself as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to copy trading on the MEXC wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.